How to create an account on blockchain.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the easy process of registering and creating an account on blockchain.com. So without further ado, let's get started. So open your preferred web browser and go to the official website of blockchain.com by simply tapping blockchain.com in the search bar. And once you are in the main dashboard of the blockchain, you can simply tap in the sign up button shown in the top right side of the screen. And when you are prompted to the sign up section, you simply need to enter your details. You can start by entering your email address and create a secure password after that. And once you're done with that, you can simply confirm your password by re-entering it again. And once you're done with all that, you can simply check the box and tap on next. Now in the next page, you simply have to select your country of residence. So simply select that, and if you have a referral code, you can enter it here, and if you don't have it, you can simply skip it and tap on next. And after that, you have to check your email inbox for a confirmation email from blockchain.com. So open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. And once you do that, your email address will be verified. And now you will be prompted to choose how you want to get started. You can select the option for the easiest wallet or the exchange if you plan to trade crypto. And if you choose wallet, you will be able to download the app and start using blockchain.com. And that's how you can create your blockchain account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.